Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is inspired by some of the awesome sales that are going on Makeup Revolution's website right now, including the special limited edition 1 million palette, which they are offering for free for orders over $20. So I had to take advantage of that deal and I wanted to show you the outcome of some of these products. So this is a almost complete full face. They don't make mascara or eyeliner at this point. So this is an almost complete full face using just Makeup Revolution products and to show you the 1 million palette. So if you like this look and you want to see the products that I used to get this, you're in the right place. Keep watching. I've already washed and moisturized my face. I'm going to begin by priming my skin with the Makeup Revolution Pro Base Blur Primer. I've been using this one for a while now and I really like this primer. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation in shade F1, which looks like this. Hopefully that's a pretty good shade match. It looks to be pretty close. I guess we'll find out. But this is a product that they just released. I think this retails for $9. Very creamy. Let's see how well this blends before I get too much on my face. Oh, that is a nice finish. Very good coverage. I would say fast is definitely an accurate description. That blends out very quickly. This will probably become quite a go-to for me, given that I'm always in a hurry. So for concealer, another of their new products, this retails for $7, is the Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. This is the shade C2. Let's see what kind of applicator we have here. All right, pretty standard, large doe foot. I would liken this pretty closely to the Tarte Shape Tape applicator. Let's see how the formula works. Very smooth. A little darker than I was hoping for, actually. May have to lighten this with some powder. Blends excellently. Good coverage on those dark circles. Anytime I can have good coverage on those dark circles, I'm happy camper. It's actually not as dark as I thought it was. I would probably still prefer C1. I think I'll probably still pick that one up, but definitely not bad. Definitely not too dark. I think I probably still will powder under there. And for powder, I will use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, and I'm going to lighten this up a little bit, so I'm going to use the shade Ghost. But I'm going to use just a very little bit of this powder because it does go quite a long way. I'm just going to take this on a dry beauty blender. Just tap that in there. I've been using these powders for a while as well, and I'm very much a fan of these. The texture is just phenomenal. Now for my bronzer, which I'm going to use as a contour, my highlight, and my blush. I have the Ultra Contour Kit in Fair. Ooh, that's got a lot more pigment than I thought. Oh, wow. I am highly surprised at how much pigment these have. And let's go in with that blusher and let's use a softer brush in case this one is as highly pigmented as the bronzer. And for our highlight, you definitely want to tap these. They are powdery, but it means that you can, ooh, wow. Well, we are going to have some highlight today. That is fabulous. This might be a new favorite. It really honestly might. I really like these. Now for eyebrows, I didn't get an eyebrow product, so I will cut this part out. I'm going to do just my LA Girl Shady Slim pencil and just darken them in a little bit. All right, now for my eyeshadow primer, I'm going to use, this is actually a freebie. This is the eye primer that came with the Slay palette. I will do a first impression of that later, but I do want to use the primer. This was $4 with the primer. So we will be doing that, but we'll do that one in a different video. But this is the eyeshadow primer that came with it. Ooh. Ooh, that reminds me a lot of the Urban Decay Sin that I really am in love with. And a nice shimmer to it. See how it does. Just dot that around a little bit. I tend to still always use these with my fingers. It's a little slick. We'll see how it does underneath. I love that shimmer. So happy and bright. I feel like I can almost just stop there. But we're not going to. So for eyeshadow, I've been dying to try this out. I'm so excited. This is the 1 Million palette. This is currently being offered by Makeup Revolution for free with every $20 purchase on their website. Now you have to go directly to their website. I will link that down below. And as well as all the products, of course, that I'm using here. But all orders of $20 or more currently are getting this palette, and this is their special edition, limited edition 1 Million palette, which is in celebration of them reaching 1 million followers on Instagram. So let's pull this out of here and see what it looks like. But free is free, folks. Oh, wow, that's very pretty. Oh, those are gorgeous. Now, the colors are not named, but I do really like these. It's got a nice mixture. We've got our 8 colors. We've got 3 matte shades and then 5 shimmer shades, which is about the denomination or about the ratio that I like. I'm all about the shimmers, folks. I'm all about the shimmers. Use this nice fluffy brush here. This is a Lamora blending brush. I'm going to grab this light purple shade and I'm going to put that in my crease. Ooh, that has a nice pigment to it. It's a little deceptive. They're a little more red than they seem in the palette, but I think this is actually a better shade for more skin tones. I'm going to take this pink shade, this pink shimmer, and I'm going to go just a little bit below that. It is a lovely shade. I very much like that. I think I want the purple. Same brush. I'm going to put that in the outer third here. Very blendable. I very much like the formula of these. I'm going to go in with the top lightest shade as a highlight. Oh, check out the shimmer in that. Oh, that is nice. Oh, I have found some new favorite products today, folks. All right, and I want to go with the shade right next to that one. I'm going to do this on my lid. This is the Lamora Classic Shader. I'm just going to pack that in on top of my lid. Oh, wow, that blends right into that pink purple just so nicely. I do really like that. And I will take an e.l.f. eye crease brush. It's a very small pointed brush. I would call this more of a pencil brush. And I'm going to take that same lightest shade and I'm going to put that in my inner corners. This is just a flat brush, and I'm going to go in with that dark purple shade, and I'm going to put that just right in my bottom lash line. That comes to life. And I'm going to take that same inner corner brush, clean it out. I'm going to put that pale purple shade right over that, just to smoke that out a little bit. Just blend that. And I want to darken up, deepen up this outer third just a little bit, that outer V. So I'm going to go in with the darkest shimmer shade that we have here. Grab just a little bit of that, and I want to put that just right in this outer V. And I'm using my Sigma small tapered blending brush E45. All right, those are fabulous. I really like this palette. Unfortunately, Makeup Revolution does not, at least at this point in time, make mascara or eyeliner, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner and my mascara, and I'll be right back. But this is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner and Serum in Ultra Black. And my current favorite mascara that I'm going to cry when I have to actually buy it, this is a freebie, is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. This stuff is the bomb. It is so good. I'm going to go do that, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I did my mascara and my eyeliner. I also set my face with the Pro Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray, which is a Makeup Revolution. I've been using this one for a while, and I really like it as well. I'm going to do my lipstick now, but I do want to point out these are not false lashes. This is just this wicked awesome mascara that I'm in love with. And I'll make sure I leave a link for that down below as well, because this stuff, man, this stuff. All right, and so I'm going to finish off my look. I love my nice dark eyes, and I'm super excited about this color. This is called 100% Vamp. This is a color I used to have in the shade Black Red was the name of it, but this is almost black, but it is a very, very, very deep burgundy. And I've got so much shimmer, I just kind of want to go for the dark lips today, so I'm going to do this. I just love the contrast between these like bright reddish eyes and this dark lip. I've really been digging the dark lip here lately, so anyway. That is the shade 100% Vamp. So that completes the look. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a like. Please check out some of my links below. It helps me out. And please subscribe to my channel, which also helps me out because I'm new. If you enjoyed this and you want to stay up to date on my other videos. So thank you again so much for watching, and I appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video.